We cannot see any image. I'm not sure they are going to see us.
Is it using the wrong webcam?
No.
Is there two webcams? Okay.
Well, I think that we are going to do the exercise without seeing us in the computer because I cannot see the image. But it's live.
It's crazy. I don't think that's it.
The camera works fine.
Yeah.
If not, we could not see it. There are 3 viewers, but we do not see anything. Can we start? Doesn't matter if we do not see.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Hello, we are happy to welcome you on the Aircraft Interiors Exhibition in Germany, Hamburg. We are facing some few problems with the camera because we could not see our image on the screen, but I hope that you can see us very well. I'm joined today by Gary Bannister and Steve Mcintire. We are going to speak about interconnection innovation for the aircraft. Before we start our discussion, Gary and Steve, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, Valerie. Thank you. Yeah, I'm a product manager for a lot of our connector products, typically used in in-flight entertainment and cabin systems applications.
Welcome, Gary.
And I'm Steve Mcintire. I'm a product manager for a lot of our I/O connectors used in many applications, some of which are in-flight entertainment. And I'm happy to be here with you.
Thank you, Steve. What are you seeing as interesting trends in the in-flight entertainment, Gary?
Okay, Valerie. Well, I think really for me, I see a lot more technology coming into the aircraft. So this isn't just commercial aircraft. This is business jets as well. It tends to be in terms of in-flight entertainment. In-flight entertainment is requiring bigger screens, higher resolution, which is obviously needing higher speed connectivity. And it's also about customers on aircraft being connected. So having capability to connect with their mobile devices to Wi-Fi, for example. And passengers, as a result of that, need power for their devices. So there's power systems, and it's also about customer comfort. When they're on the aircraft, really the manufacturers are looking for every single way in which to make it more comfortable or attractive to fly with them. So it could be down to lighting, it could be down to power, seat actuation, all of these type of things, really enhancing the experience of the aircraft passenger. And this is really where TE can help, because we have a lot of connectivity solutions, from connectors through cables and a lot of accessories where we can make it possible for these things to happen on the aircraft.
Okay, thank you. I think that we are showing here lots of our connectors and solutions for the aircraft. But what is new? What do we present new product here at this show?
Okay, absolutely. Yeah, we have a lot of new products all the time, and a huge breadth of products already used within this particular market space. Two particular products that I just want to pick up on this Hangout. Two different product areas. So first is our 369 products. 369 is a, I'm going to have to describe it because we can't see today, but it's a miniature connector. It's a Boeing approved connector. Okay, I hope people can see if they can. I'm just going to hold up one of our 369 connectors at the moment. It's a miniature connector. It's designed for commercial aerospace. It's very small, lightweight. It's fully compliant with the latest EWIS requirements. So this is the electrical wiring interconnection system. It needs to be low smoke, low toxicity, low flammability, and this is specifically where we've designed the 369 to cater for. Now we have an inline version of that connector, but at the show we're actually launching. Again, I'm holding it up here. It's a panel mount version of the connector. So with the standard product, this is mounting onto an adjacent cable bundle or a chassis or a frame by means of a cable tie, just a simple cable tie. So it's very versatile connector. But a lot of our customers have been asking for a panel mount version of that, and we've designed a new product which basically intimates with the existing 369, but it simply mounts into one single square hole within the customer's panel. So it's very quick to mount, requires no fasteners, there's no additional thread lock or anything required to mount the product. So it keeps space, saves weight, saves money. So it's a really neat addition to the product range.
This is just magic. And I think it's a new product launch for us. We are launching the product during this exhibition.
Absolutely, that's right. Yeah, yeah. We have another product here, and most of our viewers will be aware of this product. This is the DMCM single module connector. We also have a multi-bay connector. This is literally used everywhere in the in-flight entertainment and connectivity market. But what's new here today? We've got a unique product here with a 30-pin module. So the connector is totally modular. You can plug whatever module you like into the connector. In this particular instance, the maximum is 20 pins. But we've just released this product, which now increases the density by a further 50%. So you're getting 30 pins in here. So you only require 2 modules instead of 3 modules in any system. So we're helping the customer again to increase density, save weight, save fuel, all those good things that we need on aircraft. So we've got a unique proposal here because of the way we've structured the contacts. So on the exposed half of the contact, we've actually got the socket contacts, which are much more robust from a mechanical perspective, and really provides us with a very robust solution for getting to that 30 pins. So no, really excited to be launching this.
Thanks to have shown that to us. Steve, what are the main challenges we see in the IFE at the aircraft and here? How TE is addressing these issues?
Yeah, sure. Well, our customers are facing many challenges in the in-flight entertainment connectivity market space. Gary already talked about 2 of them, space and weight, which the 369 has been designed around. But also increasing power needs as passengers bring more and more devices onto the aircraft. We need to charge them, especially on longer haul flights. So we've got to provide and enable power connectivity to the passenger. And additionally, and not last and certainly not least, is cost. Our customers expect these added things like reduced size, reduced weight, increased bandwidth, increased power, but cost still carries the day oftentimes. So we have to really be cognizant of the cost of a product as we're designing it. We're investing a lot of engineering, research, and development effort into these solutions. And as we design new products, it is a design to cost effort. We are absolutely cognizant of the need to either maintain existing cost or even offer a cost reduction with the added feature that we're providing to the customer.
And to address the needs for higher speeds and bandwidth, what technologies are being featured by TE connectivity?
Sure. We have a couple of them that I'd like to point out today. The first one is this 1602 connector. This is a connector that kind of meets all the needs of the that we just discussed. Size, it's less than about an inch square in panel space. It's got power, 6 instances of 16 gauge power, 15 amp power, a couple of discrete signal contacts, and then a full gigabit Ethernet channel for high speed. So in one small form factor connector, we're taking the place of 2 legacy connectors, a large circular for power and then a small D-sub for signal. So we're condensing the size, the weight, and the space, and increasing the bandwidth and speed all in one connector. Yes, absolutely. This connector is being standardized throughout the industry for seat leg connections, and we're happy to provide it to our customers as an enabling solution for in-flight connectivity. We also have our C-Lock connector series, both the Fast T and this C-Lock connector is called C-Lock Fast X, that utilizes signal isolation to achieve 10 gigabit Ethernet, which can be used to transmit both data and video to the passenger in the aircraft cabin. We have smaller versions of that all the way down to our C-Lock Fast T Nano, which is a very small, extremely lightweight and compact solution for 10 gigabit Ethernet for IFE connectivity.
There's a big different size. Huh?
Very big, yes.
What is the benefit to TE attending to the Aircraft Interior Forum from your point of view, Steve?
From my perspective, it's a chance to visit with our customers, engage with them on what they're working on, and even whiteboard with them on new concepts for new designs, and engage with them on a personal level to discover what their issues are and how we can solve them.
And you, Gary?
Yeah, I think Aircraft Interiors Hamburg is actually one of the best shows that I personally get a lot of enjoyment from, and I think the thing with Aircraft Interiors is the opportunity to actually talk about products. It's very product focused. We get a lot of interest on the exhibition stand here, a lot of visitors, and we actually get a lot of time looking at products and showing our customers what we can do for them. So that makes it a very interesting show for me.
Thanks for your time. Thanks for joining us. I'm quite sure you're not maybe been able to see us, but at least you have heard us. I think that we had lots of interesting information from Gary and Steve. Thank you very much. Should you need to have any other information, just come and visit us on our booth. We are located in booth 2C30 in Hall 2B. So welcome, and you can as well get more information on our website, www.te.com. Thanks for joining us. See you later, and goodbye.